Xbox just jacked up prices on all series consoles and games. Your wallet's about to take a hit. Stick with GadInsider to find out how much and why. What's good, gaming fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Microsoft dropped a bombshell on 1st May 2025, hiking prices on Xbox Series X and S consoles, controllers, and even first-party games to $80. Let's break down the damage, why it's happening, and what you can do. Microsoft's price hikes hit hard. The Xbox Series X, once $299.99, now costs $379.99, an $80 jump. The Series X is made up of $100 to $600, and the 2TB Galaxy Black model's a hefty $729.99. Controllers and headsets are pricier too, with some controllers up $20. Games are next. First-party titles like Call of Duty will hit $80 this holiday season, up from $70 in 2023. This follows Sony's PS5 price hikes and Nintendo's $80 Mario Kart World, signaling a new norm for gaming costs. Why now? Microsoft blames market conditions and rising development costs. But the real kicker? Tariffs. With Xbox consoles made in China, new 145% US tariffs under Trump are driving up costs. Sony and Nintendo are hiking prices too, so it's an industry-wide crunch. Posts on X are fuming, with fans calling out Microsoft's profits and worrying Sony's next. Game development's pricier. Think high-fidelity graphics, but $80 games sting when budgets are tight. How do you cope? Hunt for deals now. Retailers like Amazon might have old stock and lower prices before May 1st hikes settle in. Consider Xbox Game Pass for first-party titles at no extra cost. And check trade-in programs at GameStop to offset console upgrades. Follow GadInsider for deal alerts and tips to save. With tariffs shaking things up, locking in purchases before holiday price spikes is key. That's the deal on Xbox price hikes. GadInsider fam, are you still Team Xbox or switching teams? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to keep your squad in the know. Stay gaming. Catch you next time.